sense, measure, or detect. It consists of living things, planets, galaxies, dust, light, meteors, and even time. Before the birth of the universe, nothing existed. Most astronomers believe that the universe began with a Big Bang. About 14 billion years ago. At that time, the universe could fit inside a bubble that was thousands of times smaller than a closed stop. After the Big Bang, the universe began to expand and it continues to grow every day.
The universe consists of billions of galaxies, each containing many stars. The space between each galaxy and stars is largely empty. The universe is incredibly huge. It would take up to 4 years to travel from the nearest star to the sun if you were to travel at the speed of light. It will also take 100,000 years to cross our own Milky Way galaxy. Nobody knows how vast our universe actually is because we can't see the edge, or if there even is an edge to see.
Thank you for that fascinating insight. But we have a show to get on with. Welcome to the Solar System's Got Talent. My name is Galileo, and I'll be your host for tonight. I proved the theory that the sun lies at the center of the solar system and not Earth, as people thought in my time. Now, let's meet the judges. Neil Armstrong. Yuri Gagarin. Buzz Aldrin. And Michael Collins.
Yep, howdy folks. First person to step foot on the moon. That's me, USA winner of the space race.
Yes, but we soldiers orbited the Earth first.
With a dog.
Not yet, with me, Yuri Gagarin, first human to orbit the Earth.
I planted the US flag on the moon, so I'm afraid that makes you a space race loser. Hey boss!
To infinity and beyond!
No, not just right here, but after I was with the Apollo 11 Loona Landing mission in 1969. So was Michael Collins here, but he's staying in the spacecraft.
Someone had to drive. Nobody remembers me. I feel better now.
Thanks, guys. I think you're in an evening of entertainment that is out of this world. So, let's get some atmosphere in here. We'd like to welcome all the solar rappers. Unfortunately, they couldn't be with us in person tonight. They must have had trouble parking a rocket, but they did send us this awesome video.
Anabolic beats. Hi, I'm Mercury, closest to the sun. If you could live on me, your life would be fun. You'd have 4 birthdays in each Earth year. I'm made up of iron, but no atmosphere. My name is Venus, I'm the hottest by far. Named as a goddess, I'm brighter than a star. Craters, volcanoes, and lava gushes free. You don't need a telescope to notice me.
I'm planet Earth, home to you all. I'm a pretty spectacular, life-supporting bomb. You drink my water, you breathe my air. But I'm getting kinda warm, so you better take care.
Hey, I'm Mars, they call me Red. If you try to live on me, then you'd end up dead. Covered in dust, my storms are wild. You better get up on Earth if you catch my stride.
I'm called Jupiter, I'm mostly made of gas. 10 hours a day, it's bedtime too fast. My big red spot is actually a storm. I'm the biggest of the planets and I'm also pretty warm. Saturn, near 30 rings of dust and rock. A swirling ball of gases you will suddenly drop. Galileo saw me by many candles.
And when I spotted you, hey, I thought you had handles.
Hi, I'm Uranus, I'm chilly and I'm blue. I wrote it on my side cause I quite like the view. I'm an ice giant with the biggest moon you've seen. Her name's Titania, like Shakespeare's queen.
Yo, I'm Neptune, my wings are so strong. My rain's made of diamond and a year's so long. It takes me forever to orbit the sun. So the birthday of Christmas is not much fun.
We are the planets, we're orbiting the sun.
There's so much to find out, you've only just begun. So go and Google us or find us in the book.
The solar system waiting, go take a closer look.
Take that rubbish off. Haven't you forgotten, people? I am the center of all this. I am the sun. Happy sky has a cheerful day. Don't need a coat when I go out to play. Oh my God. Let's face it, great multiply.
It's warming up in here. Okay, Neil, who's up next?
We have the Loona Landings next, a dance troupe from the moon. Your moon. We control the tides and make sure gravity holds you down. Yes, and that's how rockets floating around in space already.
A poem, perhaps? Please. Welcome, the Uni-verse-als.
All my life I felt left out. A tiny step so far away. The bigger kids won't let me play, and now they say they have their doubt that I am even one of them. They are big and brave and bold, and I am tiny, blue and cold. They are wondrous, shiny gems, and they never want the likes of me. They all have their moods of fate. Saturn has her lovely ring, and planet Earth has angel seed. Yes, all my life I felt left out. My heart is big, my body small. All my life I long to call. I am Pluto, hear my shout.
So sad, so sad. I know what it's like to be left out.
Oh, quick, Whiny Collins. Here, have another tissue.
rocket. Just a thought. Neil is alien backwards.
Big round of applause for the cosmic comedians. Well, the results are in, and you are all